Another travel video on the Pacific Crest Trail. We are now at Lake Sallyann. We are about 28 miles from Stevens Pass. The trails are very well maintained. There's plenty of campsites here at Lake Sallyann. About a half mile, maybe a mile down the road is the junction of Cady Trail. Many people enter Cady Trail and exit out Holden, which is a nice 84-mile hike. You can see the path. It's very well maintained. The last 7 days, there have been 357 thru hikers past this area. And yes, it looks foggy because it is. It's raining. Typical Seattle weather. Pacific Crest Trail near Seattle, 28 miles to Stevens Pass in September.